So for those of you that saw my previous video about my second button on my Glowforge, you may have noticed that I've now added a third button, and the reason for adding the third button is we've been cutting a load of little S-hooks for the hospitals and so forth, and you'll notice that when we take out the S-hooks we end up with a whole load of debris that takes a long time to pick up individually. So we've added a third button that solves this problem. You basically press the third button and within about 20 seconds all of this magically disappears. Now I'm going to have a little bit of trouble doing this while holding the camera at the same time, but let's see how it goes. So we're going to press the third button. And there we go, they magically disappeared. Now, for those of you that have got really sharp eyes, you may have noticed that I use this little shop vac that I've installed underneath the system, but I thought that was just a really easy way of controlling the shop vac rather than having to go and turn it on, even go and find it. This is going to just sit now underneath here for easy cleaning of the cutting board. So there we go, another button added to my Glowforge here. I'm probably gonna have to create a little kind of smiley face for it, just so that, you know, we can use that as his eyes and his nose, and then we'll have a little smiley face. But who knows, there may be a fourth button coming on very soon. Hope you've enjoyed it.